Amadi Chigozie, I greet you. Happy Sunday to you. You are the first to make comment, my brother. I see you. I see you. I decided to start with just calmness before we can now move straight to why we are here. Happy Sunday to you. I believe you should be morning your time. Yeah, it should be morning, if I'm not mistaken. Oliver Ozo, one of us. Good evening, my brother. He said, I greet you, Oliver Ozo. Oliver the Kokwe. Oliver, I greet you. KJ, happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Musa, I greet you. Well, before Musa, we also have Frank Okoye, our own. I think I know this account. Okay, I greet you. Happy Sunday, Mazika Report. Ndewo, one of I greet you. Musa, Musa, how are you? And Amadi Chigode say, God bless you, brother. God bless you too. Thank you so much. Benjamin Ugo. Benjamin, I got your comment on my video earlier today. He said that that you are eating and you are laughing because of Lazuba. One day I graduated from school, I'm Kevin I'm for. One day I graduated from school, Lazuba is a very, very funny human being. Us now graduated in school. Nakita na near diploma. Near diploma. And diploma is going to say, I'm not that diploma in anything, not just and I got in a palace. I got in a palace in University of Palace. Lazuba, Obeza na is net you have an I know original certificate. I say, if you're mad enough for social media, keep Baza, you get go. It's what you get go one. Frank Okoye, I see you. I greet you. Greet in Geneva, France. Victoria Weke, our own lovely sister. I greet you. Happy weekend to you. Please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to like the video. Very, very important. Edith is here. I greet you, Edith. He said, Mazikai, good afternoon to you. Benjamin Madugo. No, not Benjamin Madugo. Benjamin Lugo, okay? Benjamin Lugo. Not Madugo. Madugo, the guy, I don't want to compare you with that, please. I withdraw my word. Kai report, I cannot stop laughing. Yes, I saw a message. I saw a message. If you reading your message, I started laughing. Good baby, bro, Oklahoma. Good baby, bro, Oklahoma. Busted. CRC, BGC, American lawyer is a scam. He was exposed yesterday. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. We are going to listen to that. I don't know, my brother. Let's see. As you join, hit like button. Please do so. Very, very important. Augustine. Ekele endurance. I say this is not Ezekiel. You said Ekele endurance. My brother, greetings to you. Keep on good job. I see you. Thank you. And we have Precious. Yeah, Precious Ume said, good evening. I have to take my time to split it. So good evening to you. All right, and this is 5 minutes to going to 6 minutes to the program. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe if you have not. Very, very, very important that to do so. Happy weekend to you all. I hope all is well with you. Where shall we start? Johnny, I see Johnny, your comment is just coming. Matika, you are wonderful person. God will continue to bless you. That your lifestyle always send our enemies to the kingdom of darkness. Why I got now more than that? You know why? Because offline melo one, now so we see we just manage things, you know, just to make sure that we put things in order. That's no care than I'm on nobody. Man, I keep us. Even ewu na amugus na in our water. Ewu na no nobody self. Ime me was okay. Kita na gasi potos ewu. Kekwe nobody self. Omo kwa di me na ebe di ewu. Man was okay. Na potas ewu. Mine nobody go we get more. Man before. I think no care than I'm on the way. I'm on nobody. Oh ya mere ju efo ndi anoche ebe a na. Iju efo da na ebe na ebe okay. Fancha bụ okay. Mana ndị abụọ ndị na-afụ ewu na-achị nwa sef aga dọkpụrụ dị ewu ma ihe na ọgbere ka o wike mụọ dị nwa ife na-adị emebi bifọ asị na oke na-agwụ ofe baja oke na oke si na ya mara egwu a na oke arụrụ ana mmadụ na-afụcha odo ebe ọ ga-asụ ife ọ chọrọ ịsụ na ọ ga-asụ ya na ana akụ dafe akụ alaki akọ na anyway, please make sure you like the video. He said yesterday he was not known how they will get Biafra. He said he got no idea how Biafra will come. He said Biafra should just go into fasting and prayer. I think Joe is a religious person. You know, I can feel that the man is a religious person. He love God. I believe so. The way he talk, because almost all his statement, he always mentioned that. You know me, and I'm not here to push an agenda. No, I don't know Joe, okay, but I can tell you the man is trying to be himself. People are expecting much from him just to prove a point, which is laughable though, because you must declare who you are. You must show how tough you are. You cannot just walk beyond your limit. Our own Oluchiwa God, one of us, is one mother. I see you. Nde woman say, "Kai, well done. I greet you and their friends." Okay, how is your family? I hope all is well with you. Happy to to you. Happy to see you. Happy to read your comments. Nice to have you guys here. Please do me. In fact, I did not even set a reminder. Let me quickly do that while waiting for people to join. And as you join us, please don't just click and go, because that's what Biafrans are normally do these days. I don't know why. You just click and go. You just come and peep. You just touchlight and run away. They are not helping the platform. That's what the fact. It's always good for you to at least spend time before you. If you want to check out, you can check out. But the title will tell you what we are here to talk about. If you are waiting for me to come here and start talking about football match, then you are wasting your time. This platform is not meant for that. Reading the title and what we do here, you already know what you expect to get from us. As simple as that. So I don't expect anybody to just join because you want to join. I want you to understand what we are here for. Because we cannot just see everything, watch PM, pass through all the challenges from DOS all of a sudden. People are not trying to expect us to start acting like platform. We open platform just to make sure that you spread the good news and truthfulness. Okay, please, like I said, do not expect me to come here and start changing words. A moment. All right, so I have to send this reminder on the comment for you to remember there's need for you to hit like button and share it to many platforms of your choice. Happy Sunday to you, Nelson Mark. I greet you. Nice to see you. Okay, let's go to the program of CRC. Okay, let's go there. Let's just touch like a little bit before we move to other things. I'm not here to about them completely. No, we have to discuss other things. I don't know why I'm laughing about this.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
CRC, while he will hand over to the coordinators of this program. They will. Rest on. Can we just observe a minute silence? Never be in vain.
What's our information minister?
No, I want
never be in vain.
Master
He said,
introduce him.
he said, Thank you, everyone. We welcome you all to this all-important meeting. I hand over very quickly to the chairman, CRC, while he will hand over to the coordinators of this program.
Thank you very much, our information minister.
Amen.
And welcome, Biafrans, and a special welcome to our special envoy, Honorable Joe.
Okay.
Honorable Joe, you're welcome once again. It's always a pleasure to have you around.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel.
You're very much welcome. You're welcome. Special greetings from our PM. And speaking of our PM, today is his birthday. Are you aware of that?
Good baby, bro. Kohama. He said, "Mas, that guy is a pastor, not a lawyer." Honestly, I think he will do very good as a pastor because everything is high. The guy is quite religious. I can tell you. Man, unfortunately, they hired herself. I'm Christianity. I'm just saying because Mazda quite alone. It requires 27, 27 days vigil to deal with it. As a Christian, you have to be prayerful to deal with, to coexist or cohabit with Mazda. Mazda alone. Okay, in Europe, in the poultry farm, this guy in Europe. Every gutter, like who may system in Europe. This guy, especially lately, nation and more than in Europe. People do meet with eggs. Other gun data run at 7 to 8 p.m. Because of that, because of that, ofe akwa biap opra wale ade memere ya dey cast spell oya ka they pass the lawyer hire na ga jury na very grace by God, grace of God. It's okay, but I hope he should understand. I hope he knows the caliber of people that he's dealing with. Oh, I make get it off fire. So will have will make incantation. On him. Here it is.
Honorable Joe.
What a coincidence, Chair.
Today is our PM's birthday.
Happy birthday, Simon.
Yeah, exactly. So before we continue, let us sing. I want Biafra to sing a happy birthday for our Prime Minister before we continue. So let us go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Simon. Happy birthday.
This meeting is being recorded.
So, thank you very much, Biafra. Thank you. So, yes. He sent his greetings to all of us, especially our special envoy, Honorable Joe. He knows that, we are here. We spoke about 2 hours ago. And I hope I'm coming out.
Yes.
Okay. So, welcome our special envoy. And without wasting our time.
Just a moment. Somebody said I have a question for me. Is that the Mighty Dots? Mighty Thunder said, "My brother Kai, please, I have a question for you if you can respond to me." Now, these people are pushing an attorney for PM. Why USB government still have their own attorney that need to represent PM. Now, is USB going to withdraw? The thing is that I don't know if there's any attorney from USB government. Okay, I don't know. Remember, I'm not an insider, and you don't need to blame me because USB government are not. The one thing about the government is that they don't talk like share everything. People showing you everything on social media are actually those who want to use that thing they claim they're doing to draw your attention and your support to them. I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. But if there's any attorney that USB government has for PM, the attorney is not going to withdraw, especially if that attorney is a local attorney. Like what do I mean by local attorney? Attorney that is from Finland. Okay, just a moment. All right, sorry about that. I have to attend to my landlady. You see, the lawyer from USB government, okay, has nothing to do if there's any attorney from Finland from USB government. Whether you like it or not, PM must be aware of any lawyer. If PM is lacking lawyer, if PM is lacking any lawyer, PM will, of course, demand for it. If you provide international lawyer like they have done, it is not the duty of PM to say fund the lawyer or not fund the lawyer. PM needs to come out at all cost. That is why we are not, personally, I cannot use my platforms to condemn any lawyer. I'm not condemning any lawyer, but my question to CRC and their group is who took charge of the first trial? Who were those that was with PM when they tried him for the first time and sentenced him? Me and you know who are those ones now. You know the people, right? The same Imam Damba and their group. They are still dragging it now. That is why they have to introduce this lawyer. When they introduce this lawyer, do they tell you that the lawyer cannot stand in a court and defend PM physically? They presented the news as if this lawyer will be in the court defending PM physically. It was US government that said, the reason why we have not done this before is because we were told that in Finland, it is not allowed, it's not that. And normally, even in so many countries, that barrister that normally come here to educate us have revealed to us that himself as a barrister that reside in America, he cannot defend anybody in any court of law in America because he was called to bar in Bongo. Do you understand it? So if you want to offer any legal advice to anybody in another country, it will just be purely on advice level. He cannot come to law court and walk in and say, I am here to defend. No, because you are not recognized in that country as a lawyer. Do you understand it now? So the best you can do for PM is to go to Finland and hire a very capable lawyer within Finland. I'm not criticizing that the international lawyer is useless, but let Biafrans know that this lawyer is going to advise. Don't present it as if this lawyer is the only person that is going to defeat PM in the law court. That's the criminal tendency, the criminal activities that these guys want to use to buy the faith and the love of Biafrans. But it's good to expose it. When we started talking about it, what did they say? Oh, you are against PM release. So lying to Biafrans is not against PM release. The same question that we asked those who work with the USD government, and now let us say, no, I have seen the light. I am no longer working with Ngozi. Oh, Ngozi used to be my COS. She is my DPM. Oh, she's no longer fast. She's even against Biafra, like some of them are claiming now. If I want to name anybody, like if you have issue with your brother, you begin to lie about that your brother, or you begin to lie, thinking that that is the way forward. Most of them calling DPM names because they are no longer have anything in USB government. So the best way now to, because once they go, they want to drag you also to go. But when they were working there, did they bring you? No. That's why you need to learn how to be yourself and stand for yourself. Don't allow anybody to push you, because they always want to use you to build their profile. Igbos are not Alamajiri. You cannot, that thing works only in Alamajiri area. Because what do I mean by Alamajiri? People that they can give plastic plate and share rice, or maybe just bread and coke, they will join and they will support you. You know? If because these are Alamajiri. To you, these people see you as Alamajiri. That's why somebody will, after knowing what happened, that the moment Biafra was declared, some group or one tiny group started fighting. People jumped to follow them. Those was Alamajiri. That's not the fact. Some of our people are Alamajiri without knowing that they are Alamajiri. But naturally, we don't have Alamajiri. But some are Alamajiri without even knowing what Alamajiri, in the sense that they can follow anybody just because of following, without using your own brain. You don't ask questions. You don't even bother to find out the reason why they are doing what they're doing. You worked as a minister in the government, not until you started having issue, agreement or disagreement. Oh, Nkosnan is now working with the Fulani. And you want me to believe that? You must be a joker. Do you understand? You must be a joker. So you did not notice that she's working with the Fulani all this while, not until you started having issue, personal issue, that they want to use other people to build yourself. It is not possible. Finish your fight the way you started it. You don't drag anybody there. The intelligent ones, I believe, some of them, maybe one or two, decided to go and remain calm. Those ones have my respect. But you see, Nick and Obaranki Kujurono agitators. Ndana they put a cook man may push you so much negativity. A time will come, we'll begin to call the names. If they continue this way, that's not the fact. A time is coming. They know that Imam Madabo and his group took charge of the first trial, and they saw how the whole thing went. They're not contented with it. Nobody's happy about sentencing PM for 6 years. Nobody is pleased to say that, unless if those who hate PM from get-go, from day one. They know that. They know the people that claim that we are in charge. PM cannot even call DPM. PM don't want anything USB. PM even deny USB. PM is this, PM is that. There are no people who claim they're in charge of that court case there. Guess who they're blaming now? DPM and USB. And that is why that is one that one shocked me. Like, that is where my anger lies. Because you don't do that. Even if you have something to blame, finish blaming these people first. Then once I see you blaming them, what if I in a kuna? You cannot just jump from nowhere and start blaming any other person. And now we are clapping. Oh, Chomo Koma is it? Thank God I done. Oh, thank God to you guys, without their mistake and their stupidity in the first place, there would be nothing like appeal. But now you want to put it as if they are the one doing something. All of a sudden, you just baptize them? Really? Come on. There's no point. There's no sense in that. Okay? And like I told you, if there's any lawyer from USB, like USB is that, then is even these people that are even pushing DPM and USB government to start talking, sharing their information. Let me tell you, have you seen anybody? I have not seen cabinet member or USB government representative publicly talking about discussing on how they stop Finland from repatriating PM back to Nigeria. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm the one that even said it in the public for the first time. Why? Because the news is overdue. They don't talk about their effort. They don't talk about what they're doing. They don't. Remember when I said that the problem of USB government is that they don't know how to blow their trumpet. They don't know how to do that. Maybe because they're afraid of sabotage, which is good. Maybe because they don't want to be seen as somebody who are committing nuisance on social media. If they talk to PM, they keep quiet. They don't mention one time that DPM come out and give you press release. I call PM 3 hours. Oh, PM come with 10 minutes. This is what he said. This is what he did not say. I have not seen any. I have not seen any. But every now and then, oh, PM called me. PM asked me, PM called us. Because they have moved from calling me, PM called me, now PM is calling us. They will gather and PM will call them. Is it true? It could be true. But what is the reason? What do you think? What is the reason for them to bring? Like, what do you think they're going to get from that? Saying that in public, they just want to use that to tie you that to themselves. So you start thinking, oh, if PM can call them, that means PM is with them. He's not with the other one. That is what they want to push. But PM is talking with everybody, including them. PM is talking to them, talking to the USB government. But they are busy trying to deny that PM is not talking to another person apart from them. That is to tell you that PM calling them and their attempt to communicate with PM is just to catch you. You are actually the target, not because they love PM. No, you and I are the reason why they're saying and doing what they're doing. They want to draw you to them and rubbish USB declared. Let's go back to the video. Don't forget to like the video, please. I don't know how many of you have liked it. Please do that.
And by the way, before I continue again, a special thanks from Attorney Marianne, Honorable Joe. Honorable Attorney Marianne said that you say thanks, many thanks to you. You know, the article that you wrote, the one on the line in Iran. She read it over and over, and she's so happy with this. You put a lot of good stuff there. She said that you send her greetings to you as well, Honorable Joe.
Before Honorable Joe, people, so to some of you that are wondering, well, why is it that USB government are not talking to PM? Why is it that somebody machiloso, somebody corrupted a lot of people that's supposed to be in charge, like the communication flow between USB government or COS to PM, to the legal team? That Marianne, the ex-wife or wife of PM, this man hold her in a very, very tight corner. Working up here, hold her in a very, that woman is the reason why this is the way it is. Because Imam Madabo colonized the woman. He made sure that the woman is in her, that she is in his pocket. He made sure that that woman is that she's in his pocket, without any other person touching her. Remember when the woman appeared on Ogenkere program, trying to debunk the first message that she sent. So when you see the weaknesses of PM representative, like the weaknesses in the PM trial, and the representation is not good enough, these two people are involved. PMO's wife and Imam Madab. Even today. And in life, some people are not good in dragging something. Like, I cannot leave myself or start acting abnormal for me to fit in on something I know that I am here, but I feel, not welcomed. Do you understand? The woman herself is making it look like no other person is welcomed. I don't know how to put this so people will not misunderstand it. But guess what? Ask yourself, why is it that when this man, Imam Adabo, was with Ogenkere used to brag about PM. My PM called me. PM called me and asked me how is the family. It was Mariana and Imam Adabo. That is that PM that we are used to hear. The moment Imam Adabo shift from Ogenkere, PM will stop calling Imam Adabo, calling Ogenkere. That's to tell you that all this PM you're hearing is from Imam Adabo. Are you getting it? Why? Because Imam Adabo hold that woman with other people in Finland, which I don't know, on hostage. So what I'm saying is, if there's any mistake that surfaces, please channel that mistake to people that you know that's working, that's on ground, doing what they're doing. Okay, you just heard him now. The lawyer that just hired from US, if the man have traveled to Finland, and if the woman, Maran, supposed to want to appreciate that man in any shape or form, having traveled to Finland and meet Mariana one-on-one is enough for both of them to put a call and talk to each other. Why must she pass the message now to Imam Adabo to pass it back to the Attorney General they hired from US? Did you hear what he said now? Now, madam, let me take it back a little bit so you can hear it yourself. So you understand what I'm talking about. Because I
he sent his greetings to all of us, especially our special.
No, go back. Listen, I'm coming.
This meeting is being recorded.
So thank you very much, dear friend. Thank you. So yes, he sent his greetings to all of us, especially our special envoy, Honorable Joe. He knows that we are here. We spoke about 2 hours ago, and I hope I'm coming out.
Yes.
Okay. So welcome our special envoy, and without wasting our time. And by the way, before I continue again, a special thanks from Attorney Marianne, Honorable Joe. Honorable Attorney Marianne said I should say many thanks to you. The
Attorney Joe Marianne said she said many thanks to you. This Joe, I got one of Finland, Joe. Say picture with the Marianne. Make everything with the Marianne. And what we keep doing number Marianne. And Marianne will keep your number. So Marianne is now sending special thanks to Imam Madab. I'm gonna work in Kata demand so that at the end of the day, if you notice any error, stop looking for somebody to blame. I'm just saying this based on the fact that what we are seeing from outside. But if there's anything going inside, now that based on what I'm seeing on social media, I'm telling you, your problem or any problem I thought that may occur, which I don't pray for. I don't pray for. I hope that PM will come out peacefully and smoothly. But if there's any turbulence at all, Judea. Or you be in charge. In charge of anything. The first trial, if you go result here. Oh, the kita. Kana matters that. If you may how many months ago now. Oh, no quite European law came to PM. Now them they talk Kana make question like not in that group. They queer. Which I have shared, I have discussed it here on my platform many times. Now see European law. Kafatu trial PM said the PM6 Manima Madamo is sleeping and wake. He sleep and wake up in Finland. He knows everything according to him. That's what they want us to believe. That he knows when PM sleep and when he eats something, when PM want to defecate, Imam Madamo will know. If PM want to drink water, Imam Madamo is there. We are not hearing that the lawyer representing PM who happened to be on pro bono. We hear government lawyer. Oh, we are not hearing now. Oh, they don't even allow, they don't even present, or they don't even bother to go through any evidence. But they managed to use evidence presented to them by Nigerian states. Not only that, in that trial, that nobody from Nigeria represented Nigeria. The lawyer, the judge are the one representing and trying PM at the same time. Manabo was there. They are aware. So after knowing this, who are you going to blame? Madam Marana Nafe sent the message to special convoy, special envoy, special entourage. Oh, we are now in the UK, in Europe. There, few days ago, they floated a picture and a video of them in Finland having meeting and giving gifts. Tomorrow night they will deny. Oh, in Biafra, you don't need to donate money to do this and do that. Are you the one supposed to be the one? Imagine you in your own household. You're married, you have children, and your brother-in-law decided to dictate what will be happening in your house. Somehow succeeded and take charge of the household. Then something happened in your house. People will start blaming you. But all of them were supporting that your brother-in-law to be in control of your household while you are there. The structure of Briggy, because they always want to talk about Briggy. Oh, we are not in Briggy. There's nothing like a USB chip. That is when they want to commit a crime. The one thing they will push out there is this: to undermine the USB declared, just to make sure that they got down momentum to unleash nonsense against Biafrans, claiming that they know everything. The question is, after declaring Biafra, you don't want to forge further ahead, right? Oh, good. You want to go back to original structure like they normally say. That reminds me of the US. When PM move forward, what do they say? Oh, it is now better you stop using Master Meccano's name. All these people doing the same thing now, they were with PM when the US were using the same story against PM. Now they're not using the same thing to protect their own office, their own title, Honorable Minister. The same thing Biafra Chad was doing, the same thing Azayoba was doing, the same thing Emeka Gift was doing, Season of Observers, what's the name of this guy? Ike Guru Agu, okay? And Osoji. All these people, they were using that, they were accusing PM of the same thing. That you have to maintain. How can you say you love Master? You say he's your leader, but you want to destroy his structure. No, don't move forward. Let us be stagnant until they release him. Because they know the moment you move forward, they will lose their title. Most of them believe, oh, we are not in charge of media, you know. If Biafra comes, I will be a commissioner of, communication, Minister of Communication. I will be like, I have to be in the board of directors. I have to be. They have already positioned themselves without pushing forward to even have the country where you want to execute that your title. That is what they're doing now. If not, How can you plan with PM and Biafra has been already declared? You don't want to move forward. You want to go back to that original structure. Okay, going back to the original structure, who's supposed to take charge if PM is not there? In all honesty, Imam Madabu is chairman of a committee called Conflict Resolution Committee, CRC. Not even a minister, not even a minister. Yeah, they call themselves minister, right? Minister of Information. He's not even a minister. He's just a chairman of a temporary committee. Obakona face this is a book. Obakona this is a book. Oh, you form. Obak. Every week, cabinet will get dissolved at any given time. Okay, open the world says looking at the cabinet. It is already madam. That group was not formed for governance. Not at all. Not at all. The one they call council is just like when you say patron or maybe elders of the organization. They PM just create that thing for those of them that's supposed to hold one or two things. Let them just feel belong. He didn't create that to pilot or to run governmental affairs. No. Is it Sana Parawa, Minister of Information, or I get in charge of the government, judging by old structure, or is it Azayayo, Financial Minister, that have not even done excellently well in his own field of work as a Minister of Finance? There are some questions, there are some issues that are attached to his own performance as a Minister of Finance. Osman Zawa, who, I'm just asking, genuinely, judging by the old structure, who should be in charge and take charge of the government? They don't want to answer that. They don't. If they watch it, they say, that guy is a sabo. They paid him because you are asking a question that they don't have any answer, and they hate it when you ask it. But guess what? It's a must that we ask it. It's a must that they provide an answer, because onye nọ n'ebe oke onye nọ n'ebe onye oke omume nọ, onye na-akpa agwa anyhow, onye ekwurekwu na-aga n'ọdịbịa. Let me repeat myself. Ị nọrọ na gị na onye na-akpa agwa anyhow, someone na-akpa agwa anyhow, ebe ọ bụrụ onye mmadụ na-akpa agwa anyhow, onye ekwurekwu na-aga n'ọkwa that place. Na-ekwu ife ọ na-afụ. You got to get the point now. So you cannot just eat your cake and have it. That is what it is. Let's go back to the video. Here, Imam Madabu delivering his special thanks to Joe Capital Bossa, Madam Mariana Ejukwu Znombia, on our past special greeting to Imam Madabu. Because that's what he do. That's what he's good at. Presenting himself as important to me, not touchable. I don't know how to present it, but you understand what I'm talking about. On our no 1 hour. And that for ya go kwada. Should be in the next 4 months.
The article that you wrote, the one on the line in Iran, she read it over and over, and she's so happy with this. You put a lot of good stuff there. She said that you send her greetings to you as well. Honorable Joe.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel, Chairman. And thank you, Dr. Bryson and Chioma, for your excellent participation in an event 3 days ago in the U.S. Capitol, commemorating the 1-year anniversary of the massacre of Christians in Syria. And Dr. Bryson did a great job presenting comments and expressing the solidarity of the Biafran Christians with the Christians that are being massacred in Syria. So my hat's off to Dr. Bryson. And Chioma was also there. And I think it was a great event. And maybe it was my first effort as special envoy to introduce Dr. Bryson at that event.
Yeah.
Great job.
Thank you very much. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you. Good job.
there's a press release that I think Dr. Bryson and Chioma have after that event that describes the contributions of Dr. Bryson on behalf of the Biafran people.
Wow. Thank you, Dr. Bryson.
Thank you, Dr.
Yeah,
Bryson.
thank you,
Very well.
thank you,
Thank you, Prof.
Very
Chioma.
good. Thank you. It's a
Thank
pleasure.
you. Thank you.
So I am honored that the Prime Minister, while I was in Finland, appointed me as a special envoy. He didn't explain exactly what that title entails, but I'm honored and I hope I can live up to that title. I'm open to any suggestions from the leadership of the Biafran Republic government.
Did you hear that? He accepted a title, a position from PM according to him. You know, they always say that they met PM and this Joe, anyway, because I always hear by special grace of God and mercy of God. I thought you should have something. Anyway, maybe if you've been again the whole the questions in Mabula when I got all the pictures that you guys shared, we did not see you having any conversation with the PM. Okay, maybe he's not allowed to share PM picture. Okay. What about when you said that you presented a gift to PM? The PM, I don't know when PM started, when PM skin color has changed to Finnish man with straight hair. Because what we saw there happened to be a lawyer. They say he's a lawyer from Finland that received that gift on behalf of PM. So PM was there and you received the gift on behalf of PM. It not to make sense to me. No, please, somebody should also. This is a thing that that's kind of this kind of puzzle question that we need to clear on that. How is it possible that you met PM with a gift and you handed that gift over to PM lawyer and PM? You made us to know that PM is there present. You see, these are things. When people ask this question, they say you're a sabo. You want to discourage people from funding. And this issue of funding, let us clear air on that, because before you hire this lawyer, did you inform their friends who you are mostly in agreement with people? But now you criticize everybody that they are not funding it. My question is, did you announce it? That you're going to do something like that? No. You hired it because you know that you are capable to maintain it. Yes. Then what's your problem there? And if you want to entice people to support you, it's not a bad thing, but I wish you can come up with, at least be sincere, even if it's gonna be maybe 90% based on the atrocities that have been happening. People have a lot of doubt on many things, and most of the things that have happened before that warrant this doubt now, most of them come from your people. The way you handle things, the way you have carried yourself for this one is highly questionable. Very, very questionable. Let's continue because I want to go to other things.
In exile to how I can carry out my new role. I think one of the things that I've already started working on, and I'm waiting for approval from the Prime Minister, is an introductory letter to His Eminence Francis Cardinal Arinzi in the Vatican. And my understanding is that Cardinal Arinzi hails from Biafra, and he's been in the Vatican for maybe 20 years, but I will send him a letter as soon as the Prime Minister approves, introducing myself and asking him for his prayers for all Biafrans.
Thank you.
When I when I talk, I used to teach constitutional law at Georgetown University, and I always told my audience when I spoke that I judge the success of my talk not so much by what I say, but by the difficulty of the questions that my audience presents after I conclude my comments. So I'm only going to say a few things, and then I'm going to open it up for questions. And I want you all to be thinking about the most difficult questions you can ask me. So, you know, the same day or the day before that Dr. Bryson presented his expression of solidarity in the U.S. Capitol to the persecuted Christians in Syria, there was an article, a front page article in our local newspaper about the Christians being massacred in Nigeria. So it was a very timely event we had on Capitol Hill, and the the presenters at the event were mostly from the Syrian diaspora, but Dr. Bryson and Chioma brought a very welcome expression of solidarity from the Biafran Christians. So thanks again for that. You know, I was struck. I don't know how many of you watched the recent Olympics in Italy and the victory of the American hockey team over the Canadians. And it was an excellent expression of American heroism and valor in the face of a very formidable opponent. The Canadians should have won that game. I think everybody understood that one-on-one, the Canadians were a superior team, but the American men fought their hearts out. And what I was impressed of after the victory was the medal ceremony where every one of our hockey players was singing our national anthem, and obviously, and to the whole world, were singing from their heart. And what struck me most about our American victorious men's hockey team singing to the whole world about the land of the free and the home of the brave, I thought to myself, and I did a little bit of research afterwards, and I didn't think there was another country, based on my research, I don't think there's another country whose national anthem focuses on liberty and courage. I couldn't find another national anthem, but I was wrong. I was wrong as I was listening to the Biafran national anthem at the beginning of this call today. I wrote down a few words as I was listening, and the first thing that struck me was the honoring of brave heroes and the consecrated nation and the flag of liberty, the land of righteousness. God bless Biafra. In him we trust. And I thought to myself, how wrong was I? America is not the only country that has a national anthem that focuses on liberty and courage. And liberty and courage are two ideals, and they are what we Americans would call our first things. C.S. Lewis, the famous British author, coined an
just reading history, I think is a waste of time. Margaret, I see you. This is your hands not paying you. Only you is making tons of. How did you know, Master? How did you know this? Because only you making tons of in the program. Is it Ike Mado? Master Kai, good evening to you. Let's Mark, greetings. Aloy Chike, God bless you. I see you. So what they are playing here is for USB to start showcasing their own attorney and the allies for the world to see. But we know their game. Yeah. Anyway, showcasing attorney is not. Nobody's hiding any attorney. All right. I don't think I've told you my own stand on that. What I feel. But cabinet members or US government member may have a different thing to say. I'm not here representing government. Government is government. I'm just saying what I'm saying is based on what is on social media, what you can see elsewhere, not just because Sky Report is. No, I'm not. I don't have any intel from government, but I'm telling you that if government have, if US government have a lawyer, there's no problem about it. But that lawyer may be a Finnish lawyer. But remember, there's a woman called Mariana. I think Mariana, the ex-wife for PM, and Imam Madhabu. These are two people that are dictating what is going on there. Especially that Mariana. And Imam Madhabu is Imam Madhabu you are hearing, because Imam Madhabu, connived with the PM ex-wife to do what he's doing. So I'm still confused. How can ex-wife be so much in love to free, her ex-husband? I'm just saying, because I don't know the relationship between that woman and PM. But since they are not married, and Imam Madhabu capitalized on that, it is quite dangerous. We know what Uche Chikalo is doing, dictating that the Ifa Ejiofor must be in charge of Lego team. Instead, every other thing. It is always even though it is always dangerous, even though she's still married to Mazamukano, allegedly. Some say that the marriage is no more. I don't know. But be it as it may, when a woman, be it ex or current wife, decided to collaborate like that, is always difficult. It's always difficult. Because if the woman is genuine, the one in Finland, if truly she's genuine, I don't think she will just put everything on Imam Madhabu, trust Imam Madhabu. So Imam Madhabu said, talk to this person, don't talk to this person. She agreed to do all this. I don't know. I don't know. But current concern, remember how the first trial happened. I don't let it skip away from you. Hold that first trial very, very firm, because that is what will help you to understand anything coming up now. Because the first trial, people were in charge, and that one happened the way it happened. Who are those ones? If they don't receive enough blame, do you think they will not perform the way they're supposed to perform? I don't know, but I doubt. I greet you. Allah said, hold on. He said, Dr. Ngozi Rabeze is one in a million ahead of, okay, is 1 million. Okay, Dr. Ngozi Rabeze is 1 million ahead of them altogether. Okay, thank you. And Oluchiwa God, our brother, he said, Mazakai, all this story, how is this our problem? Mazakai, all this story, how is this our problem? It's not our problem. Not at all. But our people may fall to the shenanigan. Akoy water is here. Our people have suffered. And Nelson Mark made mention of something. He said, what they are, no, not this one. There's a one you talked about, a white man. Not this one. He said that if you want to, there's a way you put that comment. If you want to deceive our people, you shall have to go through white man. Where is that comment? I can't see that your comment again. I love when you say that. I was laughing because you are somehow you are correct, but not in this case. Not in this case. I can be correct. Academic is if a white man here now. Where's Elias? Is Elias not a white man? Hope you don't get because you have a white man. How far now? On the way. On the go now. Ebe that your comment. I can't see it again, but I can remember what you put out there. They talk about white, that you should present white people to our people, and they will respect. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I can't see that your comment. I don't know what happened. I can't, but I read that comment before, where you talked about white man. If you want to, okay, please. It's taking much of my time. I can't see the comment again. I can't see it again. It's somewhere here. I'm sure of that. I'm sure of that. Maybe if you see it, you may copy it again and repost. All right. Let me continue. I say, Maz, it is up. Okay. Someone say, Margaret said that it is up because I saw that comment. It is up. It is up. Really? Let's mark. Honestly, I can't see it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe because the way I'm rushing it now, maybe that's why I've not been able to see that. It's from Nelson Mark. He's the one that put that comment. That our people can be deceived by using white people. I agree, but we don't pass through that kind of thing so many times. Here we go. This is comment for you to deceive our people so quickly. You must use a white man to convince them. Yes and no, my brother. Yes and no. Okay. Yes and no. Oh yeah, yes, because yes, when we have not passed through series of issues. Currently, our people have passed a lot of challenges. That's not the fact. So if presenting white people now is not gonna work. What our people want and we always go for is truthfulness. I swear. If you want our people to like you, that is just all Biafrans need. I mean, now if you like, as long as you are truthful, say it the way it is and do not harbor any secret plan or any surprise. If you want to keep Biafrans, if you want to hide anything surprise for Biafrans, let it be a positive news, not in a pretend that all is well. Our mass is in a high spirit. Biafra will take you. I got dog. Kwuo ife tinka ka ụpan ọ ka gị ma na ikwuru eziokwu kwuo ka o so ya na bịa ọ bụrụ ụwa mere ụwa. Obi-Wan is here. Obi-Wan said, happy Sunday, everyone. Mr. Guy, how are you today and your family? God is in control. God is at will. God bless you, my brother. Nice to have you. Suffering in the hands of politicians and also in these gangsters. Gangster gangster. We gangster because have make it dog on him. Fred Ndukwe, our brother, Otekwanaka. Hey, this is our brother. Just yesterday, I was playing on my head. He said, my greetings, Mazikai report, and to all real Biafrans. I love that part, real. Just circulate. That's real. It means a lot. God bless you. Happy Sunday to you. Nice to have you. All right. I think I need to drag this part. I think there's a part where people started. People ask a little
back and forth with the Prime Minister.
Strives
toward people.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Joe.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank
God
you,
bless you.
Honorable Joe. Let me just quickly make a comment before before opening up for questions. If you listen to how Honorable Joe speaks, you will notice that he has a tendency to say things a little bit with humility, right? So and do not misread his humility for uncertainty, because he's a mountain mover. When we went to Finland, he invoked a lot of legal principles that the defense attorney there got excited about, right? And of course, we didn't talk about the fact that he has written the Foreign Affairs Minister of Finland, and that letter is supposed to be published. So he has brought in perspectives that wasn't used before his interaction with the legal team. And earlier it was like Finnish law is different from other countries, but now they are open to the possibility that laws internationally are the same, because certain things that happened in the US can easily be applied in Finland in defense of our prime minister. And one more thing, one thing we achieved in 2024 that we really didn't celebrate is the fact that we retired Nigeria national anthem. I don't know about you, but for so long, when we sing our national anthem, tears just roll down my cheeks. And we've played our anthem over and over and over. And when you compare it with what Nigeria had as their national anthem, there's no basis for comparison. And after some time, they said, oh, we have to go back to what the UK gave us as national anthem. And right now, that's what they are using. So it's not surprising that our guest here, Honorable Joe, a Brigade International Attorney and PM's International Attorney, and on top of that, Special Envoy for our nation, easily got bought over by our national anthem. And we salute those that wrote it, we salute those that defended it, and we salute those that continue to defend it. May God bless our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless our Prime Minister, Simon Njoku. May God bless the defenders of our homeland and everybody that is making sure that the existential threat that we are facing does not consume all of us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Bryson.
Thank you. Thank you.
Will not consume any, nada.
Yes.
So,
Mother's womb to carry out this project.
No, sorry.
Attorney Joe, saying congratulations to you for accepting that offer. For the fact you accepted it means you were ordained even before you were formed in your mother's womb to carry out this project. So there is no fear. Ours is just to thank you for being obedient in knowing what to do, when to do, and how to do. So mine, on behalf of Biafra, is just to pray for you that God in his infinite goodness will give you wisdom and understanding, because this world is wicked. Give you wisdom and understanding to know what to do, when to do, and how to do. And as you open your mouth, you will not be speaking for yourself. You will be speaking for the Almighty God, because at that hour, he will give you what to say, that as human hearts are like body of river, God will always turn them to bow to whatever you say on behalf of Biafra. God bless you. Keep up the good work. The angels of the Lord are with you. They have surrounded you like the mountains surround Jerusalem. Do not fear. Arise and shine, for you are doing a truthful thing, and God honors truthfulness. Stay focused. There's no harm. Do not look at the zoo. They may try, but God said they will try, but in it all, they will surely fail. Thank you so much. Thank you, Attorney Joe. Thank you. Greetings to your family. Thank you for trusting our PM. He's such a humble man for accepting to stand in the gap for him. God will shower you with blessings. They want to be Biafrans. Thank you.
Amen.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Mama
Thank you
Asa.
so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. I don't know. Dr. Honorable, do you want to respond to that, Honorable Joe?
Thank you, Mommy. It's an honor, and I always, as I think I said the last time, I live by the motto that all things are possible by the grace of God and a few Marines. And I'm honored to be a soldier of Christ in this effort. And I believe, after speaking a number of times with the Prime Minister, that he and I are 100% in unity in this fight. And I think with the grace of God, the Prime Minister, Tommy, Mariana, and I will win the legal battle.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Honorable.
Thank you.
Honorable Schmidt, it might impress you to know that she's the mother of a U.S. Marine, the mother that just spoke to you. So I'm sure you will appreciate that the more. Thank you so much, Honorable Schmidt. All right, we'll go ahead with the next question. Osai, please unmute yourself and let's have your question. 2 minutes.
So I just want to allow them to ask questions so you can hear how the lawyer, the attorney answered everything. So because I know that's the fact.
Thank you very much, Honorable Van Van. I greet everybody in the house. Honorable Chairman, thank you so much for this gathering. I salute Honorable Smith. Thank you so much for taking this very challenge. It is a very serious battle when you choose to fight for Biafra. You are like somebody defending Israel. We are surrounded by dark forces of the jihadists. They've been killing us, and yes. Because you made mention about how the Prime Minister appointed you as the special envoy for Biafra. And many people don't actually understand what envoys means and how it benefits people and the struggle, most importantly, in order for us to get the independence that we are looking for. I would like to ask if you're able to explain or analyze that for Biafran people to understand, sir. Because people, it's not everybody that have this kind of education to the level of understanding what special envoys means as Biafra to Biafra and how it's going to help us to liberating our leaders as well as our freedom from the Nigerian jihadist state.
Let me quickly chip in a word before he takes the question. When PM appointed him, he asked him to go to Washington and represent Biafra. Go to Washington and negotiate for us. Go to wherever you have to go to make sure that Biafra comes. That's the assignment. The minute details is not what we will discuss.
Please, pay attention.
But, PM, when we first mentioned Joe, Honorable Joe, we were surprised that PM already knew him. So it was like he's not someone that you have to introduce Honorable Joe to. So he already knew him, and he was excited and has been excited. So even though he went there as Brigade International Attorney and PM's International Attorney, so PM said, okay, on top of all this, you're gonna be our envoy. Go to Washington, D.C. and represent us. And we have a lawyer that will make negotiations for us when the time comes. And right now, the foundation for all the things we have to put in place, we are doing. So without asking him questions to talk more about envoy position that he has, we want to assure Biafrans that PMS is excited and trust in him to be able to do stuff. Now, I think we've already said this before. Honorable Joe is ideologically in support of our liberation efforts. If he wasn't, he wouldn't be here. And he cannot even be bought by anybody because he's not available for bidding. And we are also told that once Joe is out there, all the pro-jihadist forces will come after him. So this is expected. And then when that happens, all the anti-jihadist forces will ask him, Joe, what's going on? How can we help? So that is what's gonna unravel with time. Right now, Biafrans should be rest assured that they have the right person to represent us in Washington and to represent us wherever, including holding Finland accountable. So I will yield the mic for now. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bryson.
Okay. Can I just say one thing? It's a very good question that Osai asked, because envoy is not necessarily a word that we use in everyday English, but essentially an envoy is a messenger that has the full authority of a government. So when the Prime Minister appointed me as his special envoy, I take that as a expression of confidence in my ability to represent not only the Prime Minister but the government of Biafra in exile to the full extent of my human abilities. So that's the answer to your question. And I just wanted to say one thing that might interest the folks. Dr. Bryson mentioned some of the legal issues we discussed in Finland with the Prime Minister and with his defense team. So we have in the American jurisprudence something that I have taught in law school and used to represent clients. We call it the absurd results principle. And lest anybody think that this American principle is only applicable to the United States or the English common law system, what I have already shared with Tommy, the defense counsel in Helsinki, was an explanation of this principle, which I believe applies to the Prime Minister's situation, where the government of Finland used a statute that was enacted after 9/11 to protect Finnish people and allied citizens from jihadis doing what the jihadis did on 9/11 to Americans. And the purpose of this statute is obviously to protect Christians from jihadis.
I can tell you that the man is always careful with his answer, very, very careful, and I don't think he totally accepts that that thing that he said that PF gave him being an envoy. I don't think he accepts it, but you can see he's not sure. he's shaking about that part. From my own understanding, I don't know about you. I don't think he's happy. He's ready for that. I don't think he like what he said. He said that he see it as a kind of expression of assurance, like the kind of PM is just happy, or the Imam Madabo group that they're just happy about about him, and they trying to show that they trust him and all that. That's a story for another day, but I don't think he totally in agreement with that offer. As you can see, Madam Wayobosi is busy celebrating him, thanking him. Oh, thank you for accepting that offer. Thank you for this and thank you for that. Now, before I move to other things, there are a few things I want us to listen to. All right, a few things that I want us to go through in this particular live stream. And I have somebody made a post, a kind of about just because of the whole thing. We are going to go through it and a short video from this particular meeting that these people have here. Okay, the people they had here. Hold on, I have to click on something else. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to present to you that that video. Okay, if you don't mind. So let me quickly share the screen so you can see, because some Biafrans have already reacted on this particular program, and some of them say something that is very, very interesting. So one of them is what we're going to share with you now. I'm going to share it now so you can understand. All right. Okay. This account on X made this post and said, breaking after his Finland trip, rather, Honorable Joseph Iskimist speaks but uncertainty filled the room. Uncertainty filled the room. Like people are not as sure of, they're kind of confused. Key highlights from the video. He struggles to give a clear direction on the next steps. His tongue suggests hesitation rather than confidence. Critical questions remain unanswered about strategy and execution. Viewers are left wondering who is really in control and what is the plan forward. At a moment that demands clarity, and decisive leadership, Joseph appears unsure of what to do next, like the issue of envoy. To be honest with you, the man he just knows what that means, but he did not prepare for that. He's not ready for that, but he don't want to, throw anybody on the bus. He just want to maintain himself. You can see that just like these people are acting before him as if they are so much desperate about him, accepting the job and all that. I don't know why. Joseph appears unsure of what to do next, raising serious concern about direction and preparedness. Listen and hear for yourself. Listen.
I am honored that the Prime Minister, while I was in Finland, appointed me as a special envoy. He didn't explain exactly what that.
You see, I did not even know that. I have not played this video. I'm not gonna lie. You see, I keep on telling you that where I've just listened to what we just played now. I just told you that that part of special envoy is where I have issue. As if I know that this is what this person captured here. And that part, you can see the man is just, if you can tell yourself the truth, you can see the man deny that offer. He don't accept it.
I am honored that the Prime Minister, while I was in Finland, appointed me as a special envoy. He didn't explain exactly what that title entails, but I'm honored and I hope I can live up to that title. I'm open to any suggestions from the leadership of the Biafran Republic government in exile to how I can carry out my new role. I think one of the things that I've already started working on and I'm waiting for approval from the Prime Minister is an introductory letter to His Eminence Francis Cardinal Arinzi in the Vatican. And my understanding is that Cardinal Arinzi hails from Biafra.
Cardinal Arinzi.
And he's been in the Vatican for maybe 20 years, but I will send him a letter as soon as the Prime Minister approves, introducing myself and asking him for his prayers for all Biafrans.
So you can see that and you can feel it. All right. Now, remember, PM celebrated his birthday. So it was PM birthday this week that just passed. We are now, today is Sunday, being 22nd of March, 2026. But Ogekere camp, because remember they told you that Ogekere is now their prime minister, right? Good. So let's start with what I just noticed from Eunice PB. Okay, this woman here can never repent. Unrepentant saboteur. Unrepentant saboteur. This woman we are seeing here that lives in Canada. No more PM anymore. And he's making this Ogenkere camp. I wishing PM happy birthday. She's the only one. I did not see any of them. You see, this life we are living in is always good for you to know. It's always good for you to know your enemy on time. PM don't know that Ogenkere from day one is not for PM. In every disappointment, there must be a blessing, whether you like it or not. You may not notice that blessing when you are passing through a difficult time, but as time progresses, you are going to see it. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Have you seen any of some of you that have the mind to watch them or check on them? Did you see any of them wishing PM happy birthday? No. This woman have the audacity to come out and post this. Megenti. Mazi Simon Ekpa. Your birthday is unique because it is on the same day as my anniversary. Or anniversary of what? Just like Lasuba said that she's now a graduate of diploma. Hey, Lasuba Nabane ya. Na was a graduate. Na gaganata asambodo na the diploma. Na University of Palace. Then diploma on what? Pasiki na ceremony ya ganata omokwoni. Let's assume that truly now we in the school issue that woman's certificate. I swear, the man that Nigerian corruption in Nigeria just a child play. If any, because she cannot, of course, if it's Nigerian, education system, I would say yes. Lesbian can be a professor. It is possible in Nigeria. She will be a professor. Like somebody asked, because I made a video about it earlier today. One of our sisters, I don't know if she's watching now. She just put a comment, and the comment was very, very funny. She was asking, what language do they use to teach her to have this diploma? Is it like she generally want to know? Then I respond to her, I said, Umajana language. She used, because in University of Palace. Now, this woman also said that today, or the day of the PM of Alberto B's PM's birthday, is her anniversary. Anniversary of what? So it is hard to forget. Wishing you is hard to forget, but you did not wish him that birthday that very day. You just made this post 11 hours ago. Wishing you a happy birthday and hoping for your swift release from detention. May your spirit remain strong and your commitment to the cause of Biafra remain unwavering. Keep holding forth. Mazo Gechukunkere, our lobbyist, Honorable Elias, our lawyer, Ahmed. But if it was at his PM here, if it was here, because someone I got for the first time since I push push to PM. This one have never called Ogekere Mars. No. It's either my acting prime minister or is a prime minister. They call they use all this while. Kifu Obi eji during their name. They can't change. Our lobbyist, Honorable Elias, our lawyer, Ahmed Dabiri, and the Briggy as a whole are holding forth and making you proud. You shall come out victoriously. Okay, now let's quickly go through comment section. How are you wishing him a speed release and at the same time supporting Oge Chukwunkere that are fighting so hard to make sure he remains in detention so that he can take over the prime minister's position? Is it that you don't reason or you don't have any brain? Okay, article of amendment. Article of amendment, Maryland Non-Stock Corporation, Biafra Republic Government in Exile Corporation, a Maryland corporation certified to the state of Department of Assessment and Taxation and Maryland that the taxation of Maryland that the charter of the corporation shall be and hereby is amended as follows. The charter of the taxation is, all of you know this already, right? Why I'm reading it, because I just want to remind you what this thing is all about. Okay? It's about the amendment of Ogenkere. Let's continue. The charter of the tax exempt or non-stock corporation is hereby amended as follows. The removal of the Dr. Ruby Nadi and Emmanuel Madoabo as director. Emmanuel, the document Ogo made the first amendment. Ownership back the second amendment now. The appointment of the Stephen, I don't know who the person is, Stephen A, as secretary of the non-stock, and the amendment is a corporation act. The director, there is no membership entitled to vote on amendment in Anoka. I thought it's Isaiah Ayo, president. The current amendment, I don't even have this copy before. I wish this person did not draw this this thing here. I don't have this one. No, this one is the I think this is the latest one that he's using now. Okay, N. Stephen, that is Oyoti's secretary now. Please, anybody that have a copy of this, I need it too, if you don't mind. This current one. The one I have is the former amendment where he actually put Rubinade. And Rubinade came out and shouted, and he went back to remove Rubinade. Okay. He went back and removed Rubinade. Anyway, another comment says, you said it all. These words represent the birthday wishes and desire of all genuine Biafran for our detained former Brigade Prime Minister. You idiots. Happy birthday, our first PM. Our first PM. Prayer for these DOS are the very wicked. Because all these gangsters there are just DOS, you know, run away. When they are martial widow, but I'm even a mess. Happy birthday to our great PM. Someone kind of call all the confused. I too love this man, Mazin Amadakan and Mazo Gechukunke. Should I continue? Wishing Obato a very happy birthday. We wish him freedom and Biafran independence. Ndabonde oge kere na payroll 24/7. So PM all of us don't to Mars. This life. Chineke better by the better. But it's okay. It's okay. She is good in French, you. Laziba is good in French. Almost diploma for if I go that's exactly what there. So at least you are diploma in what? What course is that? You cannot just say you have they award you a diploma degree, diploma and what? She doesn't even mention degree. Now or the good in French. Okay. At least French guy couldn't even a diploma now. They will tell you if I have a diploma here. So I'm going to man okay Igbo issue. Ima obugo Igbo ka na-ekwu okwu ya. Ọ na-akpa agwa onye ga school, onye medical na school at all. Uta na ziba na keta apart from that kind of na she graduated from psychology. Or from psychology or graduated from Department of Psychology. Ibasada. Iba ka Anyway, let's continue.
Ana mekwe na-ekwusi ike. Nobody, no more. If Obato Bia didn't bring this Biafra, only wanna forget here about it. Anybody wanna the Golodu say Nas Biafra, Super Biafra, I will be a saboteur to that person. I will be a sabo, 100% sabo to that person. Look at you. Not again.
Let's move on. So here we have talked about in the Odoto Genkere. Nacha na boy nacha. Nacha na boy nacha. And the would tell them Biafra. Can you Genkere? Our first PM. Nachu Quach. Anyway, this our brother. I'm not going to be also with the captain here. When I can't get for because all the called Joko and keep Bazwa. What they call Joko and keep Bazwa. Get the kiddy for your career.
Business. Actually, me go for job. Open is go donation and
No. Come back. No.
They can't business. Actually, me go for job. Open is go donation and the can one arono. Paparu video also. Open is and donation. One as Paparu video also. Open is and one arono. One way moto. Wagurana. Paparu video so Makaru get mega. Okuni sinong group no and when them don't go na Egypt put up on none that Biafra one maybe an ego. I put a gun for all of you people. They can't just go for. You came up on one. So we are growing and the canon. Also, we are growing ESN. Also, we are Biafra Liberation Army. Also, we are Bronyo Blano and Igbo under IPOB, under any group, Biafra government in exile, DOS, this and that. Akaye wadi ni fele man Igbo. Waji afuna ni kana tawabareko. Wa sonyero nande na rego sinandi Igbo ga mu na akụkụ. Wa Bronyo abonyo ọbụla pụta na Igbo bi kwu okwu na chụgharị bịa kwuru kwu enya. Akwa aka njiri aka. Ịma na aka gị adịrị ọcha bụkwalụ vidiyo. Ịmakwa na isi n'ego a na-atụkọ maka ịmakwa na afọ Nnamdị Kanụ na-ata na ụmụgo onye nye gị ego maka ya chagwarụ vidiyo maka arụ ga-eme unu ma ngọcha ụfa menu mana anyanwụ na-agbara ga-agbarụ maka ego nya mụrụ ka nsi kwado ọgwụ ya ọnụ memu nji nwe obi ya ọnụ memu nji ewe iwe a kedu ka nwoke aka ya dị ọcha pụta ka ọ dịrị anyị Igbo niile na mma somebody na-eku ume awa nwụọ yi si na ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ onye a kwuru na ọ na Nnamdị Kanụ ama nwere onwe ya ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-agbụ ya mgbe o kwuru ma ndị agwụchara ụgwọ ebụrụ nwunye Nnamdị Kanụ ebụrụ nwanne ya nwoke ebụrụ nne ya ebụrụ nne ya ebụrụ nwa ya nwoke ebụrụ ndị ọgụ ya mana ị na-eri ego na-elu isi ya ọfụ a ga-agbado gị onye ọbụla ọsọkwa ịbụ niile obodo oyibo ọsọkwa ebe ọbụla ọsọkwa gị nweta onwe gị ọwa bụrụ na aka gị dị n'afọ Nnamdị Kanụ na-ata n'ala Igbo ọwa bụrụ na afọ dị n'aka mee na Naịjirịa gọọmenti ekwere arapụ nwoke a ife mgba ha mana o nwere ife nwoke a mee aka ga-awa dị n'ife gbasatara afọ Nnamdị Kanụ na-ata dịka m na-etiwa akwa ana m etiwa agamnihu n'ezinụlọ gị dịka m na-etiwa akwa ana m etiwa akụnụba n'ezinụlọ gị afụfụ ga-akwụ gị isi dịka m na-etiwa akwa ana m etichi ihe ọma ọbụla ga-abata n'ezinụlọ gị dịka m na-etiwa akwa ana m etiwa afụfụ gị n'ezinụlọ gị ma next generation gị maka ịbụghị ezigbo mmadụ ana ekwesịrị ịta afụ mụ na onwe m bụ Babylon mụ na onwe m bụ ambassador of ancestors ọ bụkwa na onweghị onye na-eku ume n'ụwa nyere m 1 naira si mpụta kwugide ndị dị ona na-abụghị na mpụta ka eziokwu dị ka ala Igbo dị mma ka o si dịkwe na unu enwere ike ihe gbasara Biafra wa na-emebisi ala Igbo ife ba n'aka ndị ọjọọ ka o si adị dịka m na-aga ọfa agụ m nwoke na nwaanyị nke ọbụla aka ya dị n'afọ Nnamdị Kanụ na-ata ọma ndịrị ya mma na eke ọma ndịrị ya mma na oye ọma ndịrị ya mma na afọ ọma ndịrị ya mma na nkwọ ma mụ na onwe m na-ekwu ekwu ka m gwọrọ ka ọ resi n'afọ ego ekere ụwa
gịnị dị
unu dị ife ga-eme ka m gọrọ fa sọsọ onye abụ ya dị onye aka ya dị ọcha ga-etiri m ise ama aka ya adịghị ọcha kọba m ọnụ na comment section.
Very powerful, and I love what he did, but I'm not a supporter of voodoo because so many people have enriched themselves because of issue of Biafra. So because of Nnamdị Kanụ, he must give me the power. He must do this. He must do that. After this, I want to play something from DPM. Just give me time. This is from UK.
And these people, this is Biafran flag. The people that are to come out of Nigeria because Nigeria is the most corrupt country in the world. And these people you see over there, just on Monday, the embassy is over there. They were collecting £50 each person to come and stand in solidarity with a man that has been killing people in Nigeria. The Muslims are taking over Nigeria, and yet the British government did not find it possible to make sure that Nigeria is divided. Nigeria is more than 50 nationalities in Nigeria, and yet they keep. Well, I'm telling you,
what's your nationality? What is
my nationality is Biafra. We fought the war against Nigeria in 1967 to 1970. We fought them for three years to get our country, and they refused us to get our country. In 1970, the British government, what's his name? I forgot his name. 1967.
Is Biafra part of Nigeria?
Where the eastern part of Nigeria. We're not part of Nigeria. We refuse to be part of Nigeria.
All right. This is from Britain. You know, the guy was saying it the way he feel. Anyway, I want to go straight to the video that I want to share with us because yesterday DPM made said something that I want us to pay close attention. And okay.
The owner of, even though he's not with us physically, you know that spiritually he's with us. Documents of thousands of innocent Biafrans that are locked up in different. The Nigerian state we use. Thank you so much. Even in Ireland, the Nigerian.
Okay, I'm not sure of the minutes. I've not mastered the minutes, but there's a DPM. Okay, let me just tell you what happened here. So before, if I manage to locate that part, so be it. If not, then no problem. DPM was asking that independent media should use their platform to raise money, and they should use that platform to raise money for government. Okay, but the thing is this. I know that some people do that. I am aware of some people that are raising money using their platform. But there's a reason why I don't do that here. Because our people is like, you know, I believe it's going to bring a problem in future. And that problem is that some people will use that oh, that case a way go. Some people will utilize that to enrich themselves. Some people use that to, you know, to make money. Despite that you trust them, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. And I don't want to get involved with that kind of story. So what I'm trying to say is this. If you are watching, if you're one of those that follow us here genuinely, because we actually have fake people here, we have genuine people here, and you want to support USB government, which we always encourage that you should support, because they are not raising money to commit any offense. So what you need to do is to go to the website. Go to the website of your USB government. Donate your money there. All right? Donate your money there. Or better still, you can ask. Okay? It's not a bad thing. You can ask. You can ask anybody. Maybe you can ask us here, or you can go to another platform and ask. Then the account or the information will be given to you. As of now, I don't have any account to ask to banking, and then later I will go and remit it to the account. No, I don't have any account for that. Like our sister, that Simon Epa, she's doing that constantly on her platform, which is very, very good. She have access to, she have a way of raising money for government. So if you want to donate money and you are following us here, if you contact me, I will connect you to Ada Simon, who is currently doing that, and there's no issue so far with what she's doing with the government. And I don't want you to think, oh, people should start doing it individually. To me, I am not a supporter of that. If I have my way to advise DPM, I will tell her not to encourage people to use their independent platform to start raising money. Do you understand? I will tell her that if I happen to, engage her one-on-one. Please pay attention because this is where other someone appeared. Listen.
Yes.
Listen, please.
So, I want to also dress well like my mother. So I really appreciate you. I know security sick. I know for Agorobi. Me and my it has to be on the wrong way. I really appreciate your work and your cabinet, your wonderful cabinet. We really appreciate each and every one of you.
Please pay close attention. Just hold on. This message is not just, I'm not just wasting time. I'm very, very serious. You see this part because it has to do with money. I am begging you. You need to support the government. We all agree on that. But how to support is another thing. Do you understand? Don't call me and say, Report, you are raising money. I'm not raising money. Like I said, if I have my way to deep him, I will take her one-on-one. Do not encourage independent media to start raising money from Biafrans. There's a way. Now that someone is doing it and she's doing it diligently, can we just channel on her? If you want to donate money, if you don't have her contact, then if I have the contact, I will give it to you. You now go and donate to her. She is here now to deposit the one that people gave to her. I think it's good. One person is okay. Not every platform to start, but use your platform to let people know the reason why you have to do that. And that's the best thing to do. Because say go na mother down. Oh, where you get go or everybody get me. I know it's money. If you donate to me now, anything can happen. You understand? But we need to be careful. If you want to, maybe, I don't have any place to do that, then we can answer, okay, let's talk about it. All right? So I'm not receiving money to give government. And please don't send super chat here to give government. Why? If you send super chat, that money will come here and the owner of the platform will get the money. They will not give it. Like, for example, sometimes you see somebody with deposits, can report, super chat of $5. That $5 will at the end of the day, what I will receive is $2 or even $1.80. Are you following? Because if you never carry, you may see $10. They just give $10 to carry report. At the end of the day, that money may end up for $4 something, or even $3 something, because of tax and all that. Do not super chat to donate to government. And don't pretend that, I wanted to donate, but I don't have access. It's a lie. Access is everywhere. If you want to donate, I will give you access to donate. Not me receiving it. Will go straight to the appropriate quarter. Because, if I can remember before, do you know when Masnokan was here, all the zonal coordinators, if I can do container. What are the point? Monthly contribution. You know, go donate. They will not limit it to the way it's supposed to be. Before my friend a business. Okay, go on only guy, we establish. My brother, my sister, I don't want to go there. I want to focus on my own. That's what I want to focus on. If anybody wants to give me a gift, I will receive it with all pleasure. I will receive it with all pleasure, but I will receive it with all pleasure. I'm not gonna, wait until I'm Bidonawa. No. Now let us go to what Adasaman said here. Okay, I want you to hear what Adasaman said here. And I think this is the part where DP might always chip in something like
all
that.
of you all are making us proud. Thank you so much. They were. That the people get away and they go to one now. You might have when this our this USB when I mean when now. But after that Simon. So I have the video where my own father wish a very wonderful happy birthday. And it's good that it's happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you. So that's my wonderful birthday song for my own wonderful father, Simon Eba Njoko. I don't want to maybe wago viewers and other common attack. Come. The ambassador of peace. Wherever you are, we really appreciate you. We love you. Thank you so much for all you have done for us. If not for you, we don't know where we would have been today. Handing everything over to our DPM and to continue with this movement. We wouldn't have known where we would have been today. Thank you so much, Obato Obie. We are very grateful to you. So, my people, I greet everyone here, all Biafrans from all over the world, watching this particular fundraising today. We want to appreciate you. We want to thank you, especially all the donors, those that have already donated, those that don't have something to give today, but I know next week they will also have something to give. We want to thank all of you in advance because we know you are going to do that. So we thank all of you so much. You all are awesome, more especially those donors from Adasa Moneba TV. We really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for all you do. Supporting this government, supporting our EBM, supporting and protecting our mandate. We can never thank all of you enough. Thank you so much. We really love you all. And to you, family, I really appreciate you. You are a wonderful woman. Thank you for what you are doing for Biafrans. Calculating those figures there. In fact, it's not easy. So,
somebody said that somebody is not using her account to receive the money and all that. Okay, that's a good one. Then what will happen is I will invite her here. I will invite Adasamani here on my platform, okay, to channel all my followers, those who want to donate. Once you donate, you now send the receipt as well. I want to know how she's doing it. So I will bring her here. She will now talk to you people and the way she's doing to her own audience. Do you understand? We are going to do it here. I will call her, she will speak, and maybe on a live program because she's always busy. She's a very busy woman. And I will reach out to her and see how we can. Because remember, my problem about the whole thing is that I don't want to encourage. I even listen. Even if it's direct to the USB account, let it be one person that will be assisting from side of independent media. So she will come and talk, and now people will not. She would present it the way she did it on her own platform. Then people that follow us here will not do. If you want to donate, it's another way to help you. Help everybody who may not know how to get it done. Because I'm of opinion that if everybody begin to raise money, based on what has happened before. If I be in our some people will tell you after all, na Chinasa will get dota weapon, or if you will get a camellia. I know just who can go and African at no, and I won't catch us. What then Ottawa or flower. And that kind of thing can discourage donor, people that donate. So let us just, and that someone she's not, I don't see her as someone that she's very, very coordinated. I can just few period of time, just few times that I have known her, I can tell you that I have that confidence in her. So I will bring her here on the platform. You can see her live in the in fundraising. Depositing the money. When they raise, they're gonna call Azuba. If I can upon address now, more okay, guys. He said you won't see any money goes to the USB account straight. You are not getting it at you don't understand. Okay, let me tell you, if some people will call you later, Mas is sending me the account. I may tell you, okay, now that link will close none of maintenance. Get to get an account. You don't go no off camera. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. There are so many ways to deceive our people and make money. So I don't want to get involved in anything like that. I just want us to, and that's someone, like I said, she will come here. Is that maybe I may upload that video, maybe a short video with her, or if she have time, we can run a program together live. And it's gonna be about how to, we have to discuss about it and maybe you can call in and also share your own opinion about it. Then the account of USB government and everything, we will also present it, and she will tell you how she's doing it, so that you can now have a way to get it done. It's very, very important, because people may not understand the importance of that donation. That is why they are telling you. Do you know that reason why they label DPM a name is because for you not to donate money. Reason why they say that she's funding political parties. Ego we talking for. Ego go and atuta. I get support the political party buy. But they have to say all those things. The target is you. For you not to donate anything, they hate it with everything in them. He said, I always watch after you are going up program. I don't know what you mean by that, Fred Indukwe. I don't know. You will pay and send her receipt. That is how she is doing it. Don't worry, she will come here, my brother. Okay? Anything finance. Okay, for some that our brother that now need the help. That most of us have actually helped, even though her mother is still in the mortuary, because the money is not enough. Okay, her mother is. What do I do? I just display that his account to assist. Do you know that I said that people should send me receipt? Many people are not sending me receipt. What? Just few people. After depositing the money to the account, the guy himself will be the one to tell me I receive data. Are you following? Some don't even want to message Kai report or tell me anything. Of course, some did. In that case, what do you expect me to do? Are you following now? Okay, one of our people want to assist another, one of our brother that need money to set up his program. Somebody called me and asked me to give him the personal account so that he can now put something for the person. What if I give my own personal account, pretending that account is that our brother's account? Okay, if you're gonna now. So anything about money, Let us not just say, okay, let's manage. Somebody said, so you're still advertising for Ngozi to keep scamming our people. I thought you have repented. Okay, na afọ na nekwe ndị na if kono nekwe ndị na afa nekwo nekwe message ma dede ya bana. Eze Livinus. Eze Livinus. Ndị a na-azawo eze sometimes the ike fa na abụkwa ọkwa I mean some of them ndị na fabuchela agụ. Etago nna gị agwọ ọgọgidego mmụọ gbuo ya ụgọ mmụọ na ọgọ ya abụkwa ezigbo mmụọ n'ọkwa ndị a na-ebu na ọfa na ebe fa na-akpọ ọtụtụ aja na Igbo ebe a na-atụfu ife ọjọọ ndị ife ịmago na onye ya gidelo ya mebi ya lekpenta wee wụọ ndị a na-adị enyi ndị nna fa na-azacha that kind of land na-take care of the land ụmụ mpịampịa mmụọ nwoke koria godote na biya amụze nwa abụrụ yereme ya ị na-aza eze mana zen ka report you that you have not committed anything ntinye link ebe a ka ị bịa ka anyị discuss ya na eyuọma mere n'akwa gị. That is why we are here. After this, that's what DPM said. People like this guy now is exactly what we are about to talk about after this this part that the DPM says something about donation. Listen.
That is why they hang out there to look for our money to steal. Yes. Alert. Stamp alert all the time.
Oh, if I can't like that Simon. She don't spend money anyhow, or somebody is a mother. She's a mother. So it's gonna eat the show, no, it go show. Eat the show that maybe it's not gageba. She's not begging for food. She's maybe even if mad is okay. She's okay. Oh, the no be donated gonna cover. Okwodidi. And all the one I like, you didn't like again. Ikpo ya ozagi oku. Ogo bene kporo ga. Obo no me check back. So that someone is equal to the tax. Or the goya gonna go ya na iwe go ya tax market and you la suba kedi ka omifa. Eze gwa na ekwe na na scam mmadu. So ya gas scam obulu abata kono ko de gage. And scam oge iligo go ni all we go na scam na. Ito 1 naira. Apart from me, people get dust, no, get bastard, and all that. And ask him, one ask him again, terms of what? The one to give him like mele for bastard lego. Can you define scamming? Can you answer scam one? With Irumo and my voice, so what is scam about what I'm saying? Come on, give it your voice now. I think I'm going by you get or you just your voice. Ina ima were na ayo si na kwa gị na ada samon ndị bana ọ ndị ọ ga-aba gwa gị na ekosu ego do na ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla na nke na ebe ewetara ife nọ na-akọ ihe n'ọnụ ya. So go back to the very oyibo kai go back to the guy that prayed go and say amen to his offer. Wow, that's a very good challenge. Can you come here? Then I will say maybe you say maybe. You don't even need to go to the guy. Can you come here now? I will tell you what to say and I will say the same thing. And what I will challenge you that if anybody have paid me any 1 naira to lie, or if what I'm doing now is just to lie, then I will say whatever you want me to say. I will not ask you. Kiwo is na mo anagoro 1 naira. Na we na komo to lie. Because we stand na or that I have scammed anybody. Or that I'm saying what I'm saying now because of the guy that come monthly or daily or hourly. Or man na go ya money. If open you could ya me. Man open man to be you go ya. In yage kalechi gimma. I ku na ku bi ya. Igemewu ya for where. Ka bugo suffer go da go the ben again and eme. Ha bugo the manager go da go no ben again ebu ari na cho yi na cho oyi ga wona ko ofe kike. Ị na-achọ onye ibe ị anya gị ga-atọ ọrụ n'aka aka sị na mmadụ na kaịrịpọt egbuo mmadụ ịdị ndị okoko.
So we really appreciate you. Thank you so much. We love you. And our own mouthpiece of the gods, Mama Isike, we love you so much. I love Biafra. I love what you do. I hear you. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Thank you. And I cannot stop this greeting without.
Chomibe, I understood everything. I'm a even nego. I didn't know what na nego batama na mama nego na batak my friend. No. Ego will spirit open. He said he get link one day. He said it can't okay. In our So like I said, we open away for our sonso. If open a game, if I meet it after man na bali also. Madu we keep it tomorrow get us that then I said the colleague and I thought kind about the video quote the thing. I just that they made that mistake I will see it as an offense. That is me. I don't know about you. What are my points now? Is if open boy catch, I hate it. On a camera, nanda kanna. So what I'm trying to say is this: is support USB government card enough is something that you must do, unless you are not telling yourself the truth. And how can you support? The channels are everywhere. Where to do it and how to do it. I am encouraging you to contact, to go to the USB website and do the donation. If you don't know how to do it, then you not ask. I will tell you. But if you want to, you got posted the call, no problem. But limiting it to the US or presenting the receipt and everything, and that Simon is there to do that. So I'm not saying that I don't understand. I understand that I know what I know what you are saying. Okay, and to be honest with you, I have not seen anybody that bothered me about how will I make a donation. I don't think making a donation is a problem. I think what independent media should be focusing on is how to explain to our people the reason why you need to donate. That's the where to donate is not a problem. I can tell you that hundreds of people have asked me about link to apply for ID card, but I cannot count how many people asking me. I can't even count up to five people that ask me where will I donate, because in every platform where to donate is there. Nobody is looking for it. Why? Because it is there. Not because nobody is donating. In my WhatsApp group, I always post it. Even before fundraising, I posted it. Okay. Once I received that link of everything, because you always come with that website where you can make a donation, I always put it in my WhatsApp group. So maybe you are not there. That's why you are not there. You don't catch it. Easy way. I see you. Ikechuku, greetings. Estabono, I greet you. Ogwejofor said, okay, forget about living, forget about that living news. So yeah, as a living news. Hapo ya for where will what for now?
Also greeting my honorable Christopher. Christopher, you are awesome. You are always there. Whenever I run to you, answer me immediately. So that's why I will not cease thanking you. You are awesome. Thank you so much. So, Biafra, I thank you again. Thank you for being here. Please, we want you to always donate. Because freedom without money is nothing. Because you see, the people that we are fighting and those that are fighting us, they are counting in trillions. they are counting in trillions. But what our government is using to do this marvelous job for us is just for these little donations we are doing here every weekend. So I urge each and every one of you to continue giving your widow's mite, no matter how small, no matter how big. Please come around and give it up. I think it's going to be of a help to our government to continue doing this marvelous job for us. Thank you so much, Biafra. They won. So, Famdi, I come to you now. Okay. After, I'm going to send on the receipt as usual. So, the very first person that I have the receipt here is anonymous.
Oh my goodness. Ima achọba m ịsa gị okwu mana ife igwuru ebe a ka anyị meje ịsa gị okwu esi nwanne m ise evil okwu na kind report. Kind report, my brother, I love you so much because you are a smart criminal. I'm a smart criminal. He said again, when they leave this job and come to America, I have a good shot. Leave this job and go to America, I have a good paid job for you. She didn't get better. Remember that much about that. America will be when people are know that in America, only America is the only country that harbors the worst stupid human being ever. Like, and in the same America, you will see people that are actually smart and intelligent. Kids will pass in your interview in America. I don't come surprised. I go back and happen. You got one no. No, in America. Maybe you go you know promotion. Due to now going to be on a black or not negative or positive. Now you change in America. Or because in America, I don't come surprised because only one man and a boy. Lawyer Judy, lawyer May Emeka somebody. That Emeka is also in America. Very senseless human being. Oh, class in on here. Anyway, it is very fun anyway. Estevano, you will not be. He said you will only be guided on how to place your contributions, which your fund goes direct to USB account while you forward your payment receipt to Ada Simon or whoever guide you in the position. My brother, no problem. Like I said, I will hear from Ada Simon. If that is what she's doing, I don't mind. Okay, let's close that chapter. There's no problem about it.
Okay, Vitus, from Vitus. Vitus, yeah. Vitus. V-I-D-U-S. Okay, all right. Yeah, this is the sum of 30,000 AJ. Okay. For general. And then from me for my father's birthday, I am giving my father's son and Ed's birthday, I'm giving the sum of 11,251 AJ. 11,221 and his birthday. Wow. And that should be all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right. And thank you, my sweet mom. My sweet mom, thank you so much. Okay. Yes, okay, let's just briefly go through it. The first one you have anonymous 1,004.
Sorry about it. I'm not supposed to keep this like this, but I have to, because if I skip it, let me.
Terrorists like Boko Haram, like ISIS.
You see?
General.
Now listen. Listen. What DPM said here.
So radiant. I'm so proud of what you do again. I want to use this opportunity for all the independent media.
Listen.
All the independent media. I'm encouraging all of you to use your platforms to raise money to defend our land and remove the Nigeria terrorists from our nation. Use your platform to raise funds to remove the Nigeria reintegrated terrorists, the Fulani terrorists that they are bringing into our bushes. I just mentioned 3 names: Ijele, Sadele, and Mambasma. The Nigerian government, Tinubu and Christopher Musa, are using these 3 criminals to terrorize innocent Biafra people in the 40 state of Biafra, especially around the state of Odunewu, the state of Ikenda, and the state of Amambela. Secretary of Defense, General Rabbi, if you're listening to me, please call me after this meeting, or if you're here, let me know if you're here. So, we cannot allow these reintegrated terrorists brought in by Tinubu to continue to kill our people. He will go to Europe, to Britain, and tell them it is the terrorists that are causing menace. It is the Niger Republic that are bringing terrorists. No, that is a lie. Tinubu and the Nigerian politicians have a standing policy to reintegrate non-terrorists into Nigeria, into Biafra territory. Who in the world who thinks that when you reintegrate non-terrorists like Boko Haram, like ISIS, like Islam, that the country will be safe? Only a fool will support a program to reintegrate non-terrorists into your country. But that is what the Nigerian state does. That is why Nigeria is a member of the Islamic Organization Convention, IOC. That is why Tinubu has brought the whole Nigeria into an Islamic organization. For those of you Christians that are listening to me, you must know that as you are a Christian in Nigeria, you belong to an Islamic organization.
All right, so that is what DPM said here. You have to use independent media to use their platform to raise money and all that. It's good, it's a good idea, like I said, but I will talk to that our sister. I will gather information from her. She will talk to us, of course. Here, I will reach out to her, know how everything's working, how she do her own, because some of you said that she's about that the same link, that website. Okay, let me hear from her first. Okay, and like I said, whatever that happen, I will let you know whether she will come here or we can team up together and run a program, create awareness if possible, and I will let you know how the whole thing happened, how it will be. So my people, I've come to an end of this live broadcast. There's something I wanted to share before I go. Somebody called in this program. Let me go there before I end it. Don't get anywhere, because this is exactly people like Eze Livinus. This is for you. Somebody.
And for now, we can be like that.
Thank you so much, brother.
Extractor and column.
Wait.
Okay, so she's back. I'm gonna turn her video on and.
Nah.
So she said she's not available to speak. She just dropped a message in the chat. She said
Listen to this. Pay attention.
I'm still looking now on the chat section if she's still here. I'm scrolling. Did you see her under the participants?
Yeah, yes, she's still there.
Okay, hold on.
She's still there. She's still there.
The message she dropped, she says she's very busy at the moment.
Okay, then if she does, hold on. I think I'm not even seeing her again.
She has gone now.
Now, somebody called Amaka appeared in the fundraising and asked a question, and DPM asked the person, okay, can you come up and show us, just show your face. Just show your face. Let us know who you are, so we can now engage you. Just like what I'm asking as a living is here. His own is even more easier. Don't show me your face, just come up with your voice. Come and answer for your question. Also in America, but not told you. He's asking me to come to America that he have a job for me. Somebody that is hiding his face, but he's not ready to hide his job. Can you join me here and talk as a living news? Kamalo managi boy na scam. Between managi kedo na scam. Oye boyoshi. Ipo boyoshi. And in America, right? Can you, if you cannot be proud to put your voice, even though you are living in America, that means it's only when you are maybe in heaven that you have the confidence to give you a link. Please, also living news. Okay, because I don't want to welcome anybody, but since you living news, I don't have the time to do that because I'm planning to end it now. Okay, but since you are here, living news, the link is for you. I can't wait. Don't run away. Be man enough. Prove to us that you are not in under Donald Trump. At least Americans are known with confidence. The Americans are known for their confidence and everything. Prove that you are non-Americana. The link is here. I'm waiting for you.
She doesn't want to show. Yes.
So, like as I was saying, Amaka appeared here and asked a question. She refused to. Once they asked her to come and jump on, let us hear you on your camera. Okupo ye no ozugbo. I say, oh, no okupo ye no okima daka echetele na no feji mana ndi wayo. Obatako again. On your camera, on na or shows him you be camera. The same thing when you can remember.
Yeah. So again, she ran away.
She ran away.
Amaka, you cannot ask questions
and then you're busy.
And then you run away. You need an answer because it's just like if you are in school and your teacher schedules a class, you didn't attend the class.
Yes, of course. Yes, you are right.
Asking the teacher.
Margaret, yes, it's true.
I think the teacher will want you to be present. So
you see, this Amaka spirit is everywhere. They always hide. They want to challenge you. They will call you names. Oh yeah, you say car report is a criminal. Car report is this is that. You that is not on your camera, come and expose me. I'm not gonna off you. Just expose me. Let us talk. Because all mad gay game again. If you're gonna leave this now, game on us. On Diana. He will never. The link is here. I've sent the link. Livinus, come up. No. He's not going to come. He's not going to come. If you get now.
That the teacher can
Maybe not the mom. I'm actually said this before.
And then the teacher can answer your question. So this Amaka, I saw her before. And I gave her the option to open her video so that we can have a civil talk as Biafras, and she ran away. So
if she's back, her video come on and off.
Okay, so she's back. I'm gonna turn her video on and so that she can open it so we can talk. Hold on 1 second. Honorable Christopher, can you allow her in and turn on her video? Amaka, okay, Amaka, you're back. Go ahead and turn your video on, please. I see her. Go ahead and open your video. Everyone can open their video. Go ahead and open your video. We are waiting for you, Amaka, because you posted the questions. I'll give you 2 minutes to turn on your video. For 1 minute, not 2 minutes, 1 minute. We are waiting for you, Amaka, to turn on your video, so we'll see you.
In another 18 Bataka. My brother, I am not your brother. Don't call me brother. I don't know who you are. You are that I gave you a link for you to express yourself. And if you come here, I'm not going to insult you. There's no protocol. The only thing they will ask you, maybe you are not educated to read what they're asking you. It's self-explanatory. Put your name, the name you want to answer when you come here. Say your name is Livinus. Maybe you want to answer Ago 1 of Benham. You can put it, Oya Ago, Livinus. You put it, then next, on your camera, on your mic. Since you are Ibu Chuchi, I don't forget, off your camera. Then on your voice, on your mic. Bateba, I will welcome you. There's no protocol. Mano la zuba de kage. Maybe no genkere, because some of you are hiding yourself because you don't know how to hide the original voice. That's your voice. You could be genkere hiding. You are a smart criminal like Engels. Criminal in terms of what? Hijacking everything. People that hijack everything, calling people a criminal. You. If here, I'm not going to insult you. I won't insult you. If you insult yourself, I will insult you, of course. But if you come here and maybe you want to talk, you want to have conversation, I'm ready. That's what I want. Come, let us have conversation. Okay, one more year support. Can manifest support, you need support. If I faithful, it doesn't have from. But get up and go away for protocol. But he take that protocol with the guy America in America. I'm out in Obomo. In America. One day I did, but you put a lot of security. What's that? I put a lot. Okay, from the level. I don't have any right to put a security here. This is not my platform. I am just using register. The owner of the platform is YT. Is a Google company, not me. So I don't have any right to put any restriction. That I am the owner of platform does not mean that I will be able to dictate to them what to do. When I forgot, Amaka everywhere. Amaka work in living news. I'm going to that good kanko. Don't feel irritated because you don't the man goes with the Anyway, my people, I'm going to end it here. God bless all of you. Please make sure you like the video. This issue of Amaka is what we are battling even to tomorrow. They prefer to be on comment section. DPM witnessed it yesterday. She witnessed it. If I had a guy here, he can like it, but they will be on comment section asking you questions. I am not your brother now. I'm all of a sudden I'm not your brother. I am not your brother. I can't have a brother that cannot reason. Chukwaju. What kind of brother is that? How can you be my brother? You? How? How can you be my brother? I sent the link multiple times here. Please, everyone, if you are free, just jump in. Let me know if the link is working. Just come and go. I'm not saying you should just spend time. Someone should just come and go. Let me know. Since that, because when he said the protocol, when I put a lot of security, someone should prove that there's no security here. Everyone is here with us. Are you following? Livinus, everyone, please say hi to their friends.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Please, one moment. Livinus,
yeah,
listen.
I want to show Livinus that it's very easy to get in here. All you have to do is to have signing into your Google account. It's gonna give you access. If you not sign in, then that's where the question is. Then you choose a name. So if you like, you try to deceive people, or probably you are too dumb to actually know what to press. Because
100%.
I feel so offended you saying that you're going to give Mr. Kai job in America when you can't even operate your single phone. And let me tell you one thing you should understand. This time that we are in this struggle, we don't follow anybody. The main mistake you guys are making is whenever you just say something, you call Ngozi. We are not following Ngozi. I don't know for how long should we explain this thing to you people. It's not about Ngozi or Abeze. And then this is where you people.
Well, all mistake if I name, but you are not give a call. All mistake if I name, you need to follow Ngozi. As if you think if you say that, I will say, oh no, I'm not. Yes, I'm following her. And so what? I'll come back that this I'm gonna bend I'm gonna egg it. I'm gonna egg it. But if you the time I that kind of thing bothered me has come and gone. I don't waste time. You need to follow us. Mamagi, no problem. In our no problem. Obi-Wan, thank you so much. God bless you, my brother. I'm very busy. Got my fin and go make I give away. Come back also now to come back later. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Some of you are so insulting because one did not fall in line with your narrative. You see, I am not insulting. Living this. I wish you join me. I can even come one. You know what? Mana ogi bido tụwa asị. You came here. What did you call me? That I'm a criminal. That I'm a scammer. To you, it's not an insult. To you now, that is not an insult. My name was about not complain because now we are non-feeding, giving you that your food. It's not someone a good mother. Not alone. If they say some of you, some of you, man, America, some of you are so insultive. If you can remember, some of you are not as okay. You want to get more. Maybe you should remember your English teacher. A is for apple. A is for apple. I'm not insulting you. You started with insults. I can't wait to have Ogenkere. One person from Ogenkere camp who is logical in thinking. From pillar to pole. Thank you so much, my people. Those of you on comment section, all of you, not those of you, all of you on comment section. And Obi-Wan, God bless you for clearing that I don't have any security here. I just registered the platform. I'm not the owner. I'm not working with Google, so I don't know your problem, and you should know better. Say anti-security. Okay, for now, it's nobody insulting you, but learn how to be reasonable. If don't party, can report na I'm a criminal. Izube mujigi, izube medegi. Yeah, I told your wife. In case I try that guy. Yet. Guy report is a smart criminal. How? On ask him on the buy. How? You can't even justify. Now you are the one complaining now, but you guys are evidence. If not that, no good guy draw straight. Change one mother. Good guy draw straight. Anyway, my people, thank you so much. Like I said, God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.